Waterfall.
I wrote the chorus of this song in one go in Kensington Park a few weeks ago.
Yeah!
It's my pride and joy. It's summer. Sure it's hot, eh?
Today's not so bad, actually.
In the pink and green of a original dream, I fly through your bathtubs, one in hand to your shipwreck in the Orient of space, where you wait with your twin, pray silently for your season to come. Lost in the Bermuda chance, victim of the morning. I say with my eyes tight shut, back into perfection, connection, perfection. Back into a war with you, who I love most of all, my Bermuda waterfall. One commanding, one new, I undo your cast of touch. By my green key, you cry out in pink ecstasy. Pull apart the gates, waterfalls on new worlds, consequences unknown. Only faith and infiniteness. Lost in the Bermuda trance, victim of a morning high, sailing with my eyes tightly shut, back into perfection, connection, perfection. Back into a war with you, but most of all, my Bermuda waterfall. Waterfall. In the deep jungle of forever dreams, where your own perception is a useless deception. Comrade, lonely socialist, your lust for life is so unredeeming. Come to the market, we're all starving. Lost in the Bermuda trail, victim of the morning high, sailing with my eyes tightly shut, back into reflection, connection, perfection. Back into a war with you, I love most of all, my Bermuda waterfall. My Bermuda waterfall. My Bermuda waterfall. It's good to be back for a day, China.